going on YouTube? I'm already like 17 miles into my ride, but my plan is to just do basically a huge circle. So I'm just out for a nice ride on a beautiful day. It was supposed to rain all day, but now it doesn't look like there's many rain clouds in the sky, so I might be okay. Why is my map not moving? Oh, it is. It shows I'm facing that way. I'm not facing that way, and I feel rain. There's not even a rain cloud above me. What the heck? It's just like white clouds, you know? They're not dark. Alright, now we're getting off the road. So this street legal build's coming along. I haven't done anything since you've last seen me, really, but I ordered a whole bunch of crap in the mail, and it's just kind of a surprise, you know. I am going to have a different tail light, one that has turn signals built into it, and a license plate bracket. My biggest worry is that I'm going to total this, like, when cars pop out like that. That's my fault, though. I'm flying. But yeah, that's my biggest worry, is I'm going to total this bike before I get all the crap in the mail. Oh, there's a rainstorm in front of me. Terrific. That's all I ever wanted, was a nice little rainstorm to freeze me into an ice cube. It's not that warm out here. It's like 70, but it could be nicer. It could be a little warmer than that. Most people like this temperature, but I like it to be like 80, 85. I can't wait for my street and trail tires to come in the mail. They let me ride these roads a whole lot better. And West Virginia has some of the most beautiful back roads. Look at all this green scenery. And then right around here is going to come up a tunnel somewhere. I think it's like around the next curve. We gonna find out. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's raining on that mountain in front of me. I thought I could escape it. I don't know, maybe there's a chance. Nope, it's hitting me right now. There it is. Nice. Woo! We're gonna get a little wet today, but you know what? That's okay. That's perfectly fine. Not really. We're gonna get a little bit soggy. Oh, shoot! Woohoo! This actually hurts a lot. Daggone, it feels like I'm getting pelted with airsoft BBs. You know, those little round plastic BBs? You shoot out those guns at like 500 feet per second and it hurts like hell. Yeah, that. That's a statey. He didn't turn around, I don't think. We're gonna find out real quick. I wish these people would hurry up and move. Like they're doing 30 miles an hour. But like 99% of the time, they don't care, but it still puts you on the edge of your seat. Like, is he gonna say something? I don't have a license plate, you know?